John Link with Apache Village RV Center in Wentzville, Missouri today. Standing in front of a 2026 Jayco Greyhawk 29MV with full body paint. Wanted to just do a very quick video in case you're searching on YouTube and want to see what the spring full body paint looks like. My cousin Mick's over here scrubbing every inch of this thing right now.
That's right.
Getting it spick and span.
Looking good.
That's right. But this paint job's absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the other side in the sun here really quick. Kind of has this very light sort of gray blue accent. There's Tom over there running around. Here you go. Absolutely gorgeous coach. And this has been a top selling floor plan for us in a Class C for a very long time. But you can see the attention to detail in the paint job all the way up around the front cap, how they connect that line right down the side of the coach. She's a beauty, isn't she, Mick?
Oh, yes, she is.
So just in case you're searching online, you're on YouTube, and you want to see what the spring color paint job looks like on a full body paint Jayco Greyhawk. Here you go, folks. Couldn't have a better day to show you this. And this just rolled in, right? Didn't this just come?
Yeah, we just got it last week.
Yeah, just showed up. So this is in here. Do you know the pricing on it or anything like that?
$149,995.
$149,995 with the full body paint. Is this going to the RV show?
It is. It's going to be there.
All right.
Yep.
So this coming weekend, September 5th, 6th, and 7th at the Family Arena in St. Charles, we have the RV show. It's the Fall RV Showcase. It's right out there in the parking lot. It's a free show. You just have to pay for parking at the Family Arena. This guy behind me is going to be there.
That's right.
That's Mick Meyer.
Yep, come and see us.
Come and see us. This coach will be there among others. So we're looking forward to earning your business. From our family to yours, go one better, go Apache Village. We'll see you at the show.